Gonna switch things up a little bit today, move a couple of appliances around, get them out of the back of the shop. And I'm actually going to be installing two appliances today, front load washer and a stackable GE washer. The front load has a bad spider gasket assembly, so it just shakes everywhere. And the other one's the famous GE tub, cracked at the transmission where it leaks. Again, we've ordered those tubs before and they've came in, but they've been the wrong size as well. So we got the budget to replace them, and that's what we're doing. We've also got a bunch of expired fire extinguishers. If anybody knows an easy way to get rid of these, please hit me up. Our scrapper does not really want them. It's all in the dumpster. No mess left behind in some random storage room. Down, one other to go. Now I have to replace a GE front load washer. We don't have a GE, we have a Whirlpool. I really don't care at this point. This is going in because it's all we have. I'm gonna strap up on this because these new front loads, they're a beast, man. I can use the assist on this one. The other one I couldn't because it wouldn't make it through the doors. I had to go lower. Beautiful day here in Denver. Next week it's gonna drop down into the 30s. Where we at? The party. Definitely cracked. This is secure. Come on, drill. Come on, baby. Made it. And then I'll give him a new shelf. Looks like it's the ballast. So these are not drop-in ballasts. This is the replacement I'm using, and you got to do a little bit of wire configuring. It's a little bit different than the old one. Not really, just a tad bit. I could only get one light going, which kind of sucks. This is just bad internally. We don't have any extra ones. So I just hooked it up for one lamp. Better than nothing. Guys, sorry today's so boring. A lot of residents have been home. I'm gonna spend the rest of the day trying to clear out all this crap and putting it in a storage room so we have a place to go for appliances. And then we've got the deep sink here to where I can bring washers and stuff back to troubleshoot and fix. So that's gonna be it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow.